Welcome to Illo Talk. I am Cory Kerr, and I drew a thing. Okay, so this illustration, Amor Fati, love of fate, or love of one's fate. The idea is that you fall in love with whatever happens, because whatever happens needed to happen and got you to where you'd be. It's kind of like the idea of when you ask somebody like, hey, if you could go back and get rid of one thing that happened in your past, and they say, I don't know, everything that I went through brought me to this point, and I really like where I'm at right now. That's love of fate, right? Marcus Aurelius, accept whatever comes to you woven in the pattern of your destiny, for what could more aptly fit your needs. Marcus Aurelius never actually used Latin because he wrote in Greek, but the idea is kind of based in Stoic philosophy. And then it comes out in Friedrich Nietzsche, right? So Nietzsche, he goes out and he says, my formula for greatness in a human being is Amor Fati. That one wants nothing to be different, not forward, not backward, not in all eternity, not merely bear what is necessary, still less conceal it. All idealism is mendacity in the face of what is necessary, but love it. And the idea of mendacity at this point is talking about dishonesty or deception inherent in idealism when confronted with life's necessities, meaning that you have the idea that everybody should always be so happy and whatever and just gloss over all the stuff. But like, you know, there's suffering, there's hard things, there's good things, there's amazing things. And he goes on to say, I want to learn more and more to see as beautiful what is necessary in things. Then I shall be one of those who makes things beautiful. Amor Fati, let that be my love henceforth. And then he goes on and on and on. But then he talks about suffering, which is kind of interesting because this is something that a lot of people struggle with. Nietzsche says, only great pain is the ultimate liberator of the spirit. I doubt that such pain makes us better, but I know that it makes us more profound. And I love that because I hate the idea of like worshiping suffering or promoting the idea of suffering, but understanding that there is some value in struggle without having to say that it's like a good thing that it happened. Anyway, I've been through a lot, but I like where I am. And who am I kidding? Everybody's been through a lot, right? I mean, you live long enough, you go through a lot of stuff. You know, death, disease, injury, heartache, and all that stuff. Even just on the minor things like struggling to learn something. Like it's in the struggle, it's in the frustration where that thing is valuable, because that struggle is a bit of a gatekeeper, right? Not everybody's willing to pay that price. And it's more valuable to you because you paid that price, right? I've paid the price to get to the level that I am. I continue to pay that price to continue to try to get better in the different things where I'm skilled. And yeah, so I drew this on a brand new Wacom Movink. Wacom just sent this to me. It is awesome. It is extremely thin. USB-C powered is the only cord. I like it a lot more than the iPad Pro, and it's cheaper. One of the main reasons why I like this better than the iPad, you do not get a wobbly line unless you want a wobbly line. One of my problems with battery-operated styluses like the iPad is when you draw a diagonal line, you get a wave or a wobble to that line. No matter how steady you hold your hand, even if you use a ruler, it introduces it. And I absolutely hate the idea of software-based smoothing on my lines. If I want the line that I put down to be the line that I put down, not the computer's best guess of what I meant. And so that's one big thing that I really like about the Movink. A bit of a downside is also a bit of an upside. It runs full desktop software, not mobile software, because it is just like a Cintiq, an external monitor, right? You have to attach it to a computer. It's an external monitor, just like a Cintiq. It seems to have the same color and depth and pressure sensitivity and all that stuff as the big Cintiqs. It's very portable. I carry it around in my case with my iPad and my laptop and whatnot. The downside is keyboard shortcuts and stuff. They try to do some stuff with that, but it's just a lot easier to have a portable keyboard. You need the laptop. So I tried it on the couch. it's a little awkward to have like the laptop and the thing and whatever. But like when I'm out and about in the classroom or remote or whatever, and they have like a table or a desk, it's phenomenal. I absolutely love it. I use it in class. I use it in my office. And then I have my Cintiq at home. Crap, I forgot to record the coloring of this. You don't really get to see me color it. But if you want to see detail shots of this, jump onto my email newsletter, get on my Substack, go to corykerr.com/email, and you can see like a lot of close-up shots of this and stuff. So anyway, thanks for watching all the way to the end. Enjoy that sandwich I made, because I did. And we will see you guys next time. Go make stuff.